Hi everyone, welcome back. I just want to send a shout out to the grade 9, 10s and 11 that's returning today. I hope you have a great week. Please make sure that you sanitize and you stay safe. Okay, today we're going to begin with algebraic equations. The first thing I want you to know is what is the definition of an equation. I want you to think of an equation as a balancing scale, where one side of the equal to side must be the same as the other side of the equal to side. In other words, both answers has to level each other up. Okay, the next thing, rule number one, make sure that the x's are on one side and your numbers or your letters are on the other side. Now, I'm going to teach you something that is basically mathematically incorrect, but most teachers teach it in this format and most learners understand it in this format. Remember, I want x's on one side, this is an x. And I want my numbers on the other side, this is my numbers. Now, is the 4 where I want it to be? No, it is not. Now, what is mathematically correct is, in order to get rid of that 4, I say minus 4. What I do on my left hand side and it's do on my right hand side. Or what is not mathematically correct, you take it over my equal to sign, and because it is positive over here, on the other side it will be a negative. So therefore x is equal to 6 minus 4 and x is equal to 2. Notice how the 4 becomes a negative. That is not mathematically correct, but because most learners understand it that way and most teachers understand it and teach it that way, I'm going to do exactly the same, but with a disclaimer. Okay, now I told you at the beginning that equation is a balance. I'm going to substitute my 2 into x over here. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And what did I have? What was my answer equal to? My answer was equal to 6. Okay, now let's move over to example number 2 and we explain exactly the same application. Okay, here I have 2x minus 4 is equal to negative 16 minus 4x. Remember, I want this 2 on the left hand side of my equal to sign and I want this 2 on the right hand side of my equal to sign over there. So I have 2x, it's where I want it to be, so it stays there and the sign stays the same. This negative 4x, I wanted this side over here. Alright, now what do I need to do? I need to say positive 4x, what I do on my right hand side and you do on my left hand side. But what is not mathematically correct, I'm just going to take it over. So now because it's negative, it becomes a positive 4x is equal to negative 16. It's where I want it to be, so it stays negative 16. However, this negative 4 needs to be on the right hand side because x is on one side, numbers on the other side. Because it's negative, it becomes a positive, and now all I do is add 2x plus 4h. Why can I add these two together? Because they are like terms. Go to my previous videos. Like terms is the same letter as well as the same exponent. So 2 plus 4 is 6x is equal to negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. Now, my aim is to solve for x, right? Which means I need to get rid of the 6. And I divide by 6, divided by 6. What I do on my left hand side, I need to do on my right hand side. Cancel, cancel. And x is going to be equal to negative 2. Okay, now on this side, I have, negative 20, which is my number. That's the only number I have. The rest of it is all x's to the power of 2 or to the power of 1. I'm going to bring it all to the left hand side of this equal to sign. So this stays like that because already where I want it to be. Right? Minus 3x. That comes over, becomes negative 2x squared. This comes over, and because it's negative, it becomes a positive. X is equal to negative 20. Okay, now notice that this 2 is like terms, right? Same letter, same exponent. All I do is I plus and minus the numbers in front of it, also known as the coefficients. So 2 minus 2, they cancel each other out. In other words, they make 0. What do I have? This 2 over there. Negative 3 plus 8 is positive 5x, and that is going to be equal to negative 20. Now, remember, how do I get rid of this 5? Divided by 5. What I do on my left hand side, I need to do on my right hand side. So therefore, and value of x is equal to negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. Okay, learners, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel at GA Online Teaching. Until next time.